Hi, I'm Brian from BOGONG. Today I'm gonna introduce our newest development, the mirror laser marking machine with big working area. The working area size is an astonishing 3 meter by 1.5 meter. And for laser source, we also have a lot of options like the GPT laser source we use right now, and also we can choose Rika laser source and so on. The power range is 20 watts to 120 watts.
Gotta make a move to a town that's right for me. Town to keep me moving, keep me grooving with some energy. Well, I talked about it, talked about it, talked about it, talked about it. Talk about moving. Gotta move on. Gotta move on. Gotta move on. I want you to take me to Funky Town. Won't you take me to Funky Town? 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 Gotta make a move to a town that's right for me. Town to keep me moving, keep me grooving with some energy. Well, I talked about it, talked about it, talked about it, talked about it. Talk about moving. Gotta move on. Gotta move on. Gotta move on.
Won't you take me to?
Funky Town.
Won't you take me to?